People say to me all the time, Jeff, how do you get such professional level photos on your little iPhone? Well, here's a little trick that I need to tell you about. There's a hidden camera menu on the iPhone, and a lot of the really good stuff is unchecked. You need to check 7 key areas in the camera app. Let's jump in because I want to show you right now. You'll find the camera app settings in the settings section, and you'll see that most of the good stuff is unchecked, and we're going to change that right now. Okay, let's run them down. First, preserve settings. So like if you used a filter, if you used a live photo setting, if you used a different camera mode, well, you don't have to reset them every time. It will keep the one you last used. Very important. Number 2, volume up for burst. If you ever want to get a great action shot of your kid running down the baseball field or soccer field, or something else that you wanted to stop action with, well, you have a choice of putting your finger on the front of the screen and using the shutter, or just holding your finger down on the left volume up button, which I found to be more effective. Number 3 and 4. Grid and level will help you straighten and compose your shot more accurately. Very important. Number 5 is photo mode, and what this means is that late model iPhones have higher resolution sensors, but if you don't click here, photos will be saved in low resolution. And then there's Pro RAW, same deal. You could shoot raw photos, which means higher resolution images with more information, more ability to tweak the colors and the lighting, but you can't do it unless you press that button. And number 7 is for video shooters, ProRes. Apple has a higher resolution video codec called ProRes, but you'll never be able to take advantage of it unless you click this button. Now that you've clicked those buttons, I know you're going to see higher resolution, sharper, better composed images, and all you had to do was watch this video. So if it was worth your time, please do me a favor, click like, share, comment, please subscribe to Photowalks TV right here on YouTube, and stay tuned because we have plenty more episodes coming up. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'll see you on the next Photowalk. Bye-bye, everyone.